Guys, that video ended quite shorter. So we're going to be looking at how to use CamScanner on a different angle. Like I said, the first time we looked at how you want to scan a hard copy document or ID straight before you. But here I said the second option is looking at a document that we do not have the hard copy. Probably you don't have a document with you and you needed to call someone to just take a photo of it. Maybe somebody younger than you or somebody who is not digitally inclined that could scan the thing well. So the best way everybody does it is to take photo. Or you may have taken a photo of the document some time back on your phone and now you need to professionally share it with someone, so you need to scan it. We can use the CamScanner to still do that even when we don't have the hard copy. We will easily just import the file. Okay, so we're going to open our CamScanner app as well, as usual. Then on top we have Smart Scan, PDF tools, and we have import images. It's a photo, so this time around we're going to use import image. Supposedly it was a document that was shared with you via email or WhatsApp. We could have used import file. So now let's use import image. So in my gallery, the same document that was scanned initially, I have taken a snapshot of it on my phone, so we'll use that. Now you see, the original method I used in snapping the photo came with the background, so everybody could see that I took it on top of my laptop. So this, you cannot send it to anybody professionally if you have to send it. So what are we supposed to do? We need to turn it into a professional scan document. We'll select and then we'll go to import at the top. Immediately you click on import, you see the 4 or the dotted, that is mostly about 9 dotted. That will help you in order to crop. Supposedly some aspect of it was picked and you didn't like, then you pick. I am okay with what I have, so I continue to next. You see, automatically scans. So now you don't even know if the document had, the borders or background that it comes with. So as usual, I always want to name my file High Flyer, and then I go to OK, and I accept. Then what else? If I'm to share it, I go to the share button and I continue. If I want to save it, I come to menu down there and I go to save gallery. So that's it, guys. You can use the scanner app, that's CamScanner, either in two ways: by scanning a hard copy document or already existing file that is on your system and you want to import and work on. Thank you very much for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.